Hey guys, Jira Bro back with another video, bringing you some of the changes that are coming to the Jira platform. The first change is the editing of the workflows and the issue layouts in company managed projects, and those are the permissions. We already have this, and this is already being within the company managed project. So that is nothing really new. It's easier for people with Jira to start using Jira Product Discovery. Okay, it's saying we know our products can be complicated. Interesting. So Atlassian is admitting this, right? So now people who have Jira and have recently also added Jira Product Discovery will see simple recommendations on how to start using Jira Product Discovery, like inviting teammates, using template, and etc. That means it's easier to know what to do first in Jira Product Discoveries to get most out of it. So it's saying the recommendations will show up in your work part of Jira, and everyone with either free, standard, or premium plan will actually see them. Let me see if this is already in here. So it's your work page, right? So yeah, I'm not seeing that still yet. So we'll have to wait on that. Okay. Streamlining general blank projects templates in Jira Service Management. Oh, that sounds interesting. So the Atlassian is simplifying Jira Service Management project templates, and it's no longer splitting out general and blank templates by IT and business teams. Now we will see just one general service management template and one blank template to cater to all of the needs, no matter the team type. That's actually interesting. So these projects will replace the previous general service IT management for teams and general service management for business teams. Right. Okay, so, and it's now saying what are the project templates. We already know this. So that means when you go to and create your project within the service management, this is basically, so you're going to see replace for IT, you'll see just one general service management template and one blank template to cater all of the needs. Right, so this means that all of these things will be gone. None of this. So it will be one blank project, one IT service management. Good focus on ITSM there, Atlassian. Good focus. New ways to edit card covers. Now you can easily choose a color or an attachment to upload the new card cover. So that is when I go in my project here. Okay, so what I'm going to be able to do, edit cover image. There we go. So I can drop an image here. Let me see if I have something interesting. No, I don't have anything interesting in here. Okay, let me just make a screenshot. Doesn't matter. Okay. Let me go here. Let me just upload it. Alright. This already exists in the team managed projects, by the way. So yeah, this is how it will look like. But as you can see, the image goes first, and the this description of the issue is below it. So yeah. Okay, highlight work with color in your list. This is actually pretty interesting, right? So we're not gonna read anything from here. So it's saying when I go to my project, when I go to a list. Oh, I have it. All right. Select list, select format. Oh, okay. I can add a rule. Nice. All right. So I can choose a format right here. And I can go with a cell, create a rule. So this is going to be for assignee is, let's say assignee is going to be, Mitch Davis. Save the rule. Oh, nice. This is actually pretty interesting. So I can add another rule now, and I can go with a cell, and I can go with an assignee, and I can choose the format blue. I can actually, so we have Cassie Owens. Alright, so Cassie Owens, and save the rule. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. That's nice. This is actually great. I like how this is actually looking. Alright, so let me add rows now. And for the rows, I'm gonna go with summary. And for summary, what does it contain? Logs. Okay, so it means that it's going to add that word. Okay, so it highlights all of the issues with this specific word. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, and now if I add another rule, and if I say I want to go with a summary again, but this time I'm gonna say something that doesn't contain the word apple. Save the rule. Now it actually overrides this one. Okay, so this is how it works, and everything, all of the rows are actually get changed. That's interesting actually. So that rule prevails. So this right here has already been rolled out. So that's really interesting in here, to be honest. And this is actually pretty cool. I can use this. Wow, that's nice. That's great. Adding an upgrade button for free customers. In the top right of the navigation, you might see a new button that will help you to upgrade to a new plan when you get close to the user limit. Well, actually, I don't have this because this instance right here, this is using the premium of Jira, so no can do. Get notified when your issues transition to another status. So you go to the project settings and then go for the notifications. Alright, so we're gonna do that. And now it's saying settings, so you go to the settings, right? So there is no like option to add a notification in here, at least not yet, so it's not available right now. Okay, so I cannot add it. Using a drop down, search and select the issue event, and issue is updated by a workflow transition. Wait a sec, it's here. That's already there. Select the users and the roles that will receive this notification. It's actually here. There we go. And this is not only about the customizing of team managed projects, this is actually in the company managed projects because the work log entries deleted was the last one. This one didn't exist yet. So that is interesting. Okay. Quickly view images. I already did this. Alright, new Jira instances are now domain enabled. Okay. New Jira instances will be automatically domain enabled from now on, meaning anyone with your organization's email domain will have access to projects that you send them links to. It will save you time. You won't need to grant them access after you have invited them. Huh. That's actually pretty That's actually pretty interesting though. So you don't have to add them to the projects. Okay. We'll have the access to projects that you send them links to. In your environment, your organizations will have access to projects you send them. Okay, you just send them the links. Okay. And it will save you the time. But now, the question is, if you do this, since you're adding a user to the project and assigning them a project role, to which project role they will be added to. So this is something that is left as an open question. So what is going on then? Okay, so yeah, that is something interesting. But this with the format, this was something. This is really cool. Yeah, from the list, you can go, and as you can see, it's saved, and you create the rules, and based on those rules, you're painting out your lists, either your column or your rows. But the thing is, if you're having that option where you're having that rule where it says does not contain, then it actually is gonna overwrite everything that you have done and all of the rules that you have added before. So yeah, but then again, it's pretty good. Yeah, those are some of the changes. I mean, there are like more changes in here, but if I continue to just ramble on and to talk about this. Reducing the issue terminology in Jira. We're reducing the use of issue terminology in an effort to simplify our language and better suit all team types. And from issues, it's going to be named as work. And it's saying another thing that is also useful to say is that the UI, the new, completely new Jira UI will start to be shipped out around March. So starting from March, if you see some of the changes in there, nothing actually happened at your side only, it's happening globally. So everyone will be affected by this change. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it about these changes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See ya. Bye.